The workplace is a place where millions of people work every day. And every workplace has different types of tasks and conditions in which it is necessary to work with caution. Because every year millions of accidents occur at workplaces, in which many people suffer minor to serious injuries, and some of them even lose their lives. All this happens due to negligence during work. That is why don't miss today's video at all, because in today's video we will talk about how we can keep ourselves safe during work. Along with this, we will also talk about National Safety Week. When is it observed? Why is it observed? What is the purpose of observing it? And what is the theme of this year 2026? So let's start today's video. Many types of work are carried out at workplaces, for which different machines and equipment are used. Sometimes work is also done at heights, or in different situations such as confined spaces. If any kind of negligence is shown during such work, accidents can happen. Because many times we ignore precautions thinking that nothing will happen, or it's just a matter of a few seconds. If an accident happens because of this, we may not even be able to imagine how serious it could be, and how much damage it can cause to us, and to property. Also, at workplaces where more accidents occur, work is not completed on time. Production loss occurs due to machines stopping. Employee absenteeism increases. Company productivity decreases. Medical and compensation costs increase. Employees' morale and confidence decrease. The working environment starts feeling unsafe. The risk of legal issues and penalties increases. The company's reputation gets affected. And trust between management and workers begins to decrease. Do you know that every year around 3 million people around the world lose their lives due to workplace accidents and occupational diseases, and millions of employees get injured during work? In India, thousands of industrial accidents are recorded every year. Most of these accidents happen due to unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. Now you may be surprised to know that, in Indian factories, on average 3 workers die every day due to accidents. This is a matter of concern for all of us. Now a question arises, what are the reasons for so many accidents at workplaces? The main reasons for workplace accidents are not wearing proper personal protective equipment during work, ignoring safety rules and procedures, unsafe acts and unsafe conditions, absence of machine guards, or removing them, lack of proper training and awareness, poor housekeeping, neglecting electrical safety, taking shortcuts during work, fatigue and stress, lack of maintenance, not reporting hazards. Many of these accidents can be prevented if employees at the workplace are engaged, educated, and empowered about safety. For example, if all employees at a workplace are involved in safety programs and meetings, given safety training from time to time, so they can understand hazards and safe work procedures, and are also given the authority to stop unsafe work or unsafe conditions, then the chances of accidents at the workplace reduce significantly. Because when employees actively participate in safety, understand the risks related to their work, and are capable of making necessary decisions, a strong safety culture develops at the workplace, which helps in effectively preventing accidents. That is why, to strengthen this safety culture at workplaces, National Safety Week is observed every year, from the 4th of March to the 10th of March. The observance of this week was started by the National Safety Council, because the National Safety Council was established on the 4th of March 1966. During this week, many types of programs are organized at every workplace, whether small or large, government or private, schools or colleges. The main objective of these programs is to increase awareness about safety among people and encourage proper safety measures to prevent accidents. This week conveys the message of strengthening safety measures at workplaces, reducing industrial accidents, and promoting a safe working culture. But here a question arises: do we perform all our work safely? Do we wear proper personal protective equipment during work? This is a question we should ask ourselves. Perhaps the answer will be no. Every year the theme of this week is different, and the theme for National Safety Week 2026 is Engage, Educate, and Empower People to Enhance Safety. This theme tells us that to improve safety, active participation of employees, continuous learning, and empowering them is very important. Because just making rules or providing safety equipment to employees is not enough, it is also important to make employees a part of the safety process. There are three main words in this theme. Let us understand them. The first is engage, which means involving employees in every safety activity. When employees participate in safety meetings, toolbox talks, safety campaigns, and hazard reporting, they understand safety rules better and adopt them. This increases the sense of responsibility at the workplace and strengthens the safety culture. The second is educate, which means providing employees with proper training and knowledge from time to time. Safety training, mock drills, SOP awareness, PPE usage training, and hazard identification training help employees identify risks and work safely. Knowledge is the strongest foundation of safety, because when a person has knowledge, they can make the right decisions to avoid risks. The third is empower, which means enabling employees to make safety-related decisions. For example, giving employees the authority to stop unsafe work, creating an environment where hazards can be reported without fear, and developing an open communication culture. When employees feel empowered, they play an active role in preventing accidents. Now we will talk about what should management do to engage, educate, and empower employees at the workplace. To engage employees: conduct toolbox talks, safety meetings, and safety awareness programs regularly. Make safety a part of the daily work culture. Increase employee participation in safety-related activities, and give them opportunities to share suggestions. Encourage employees to report hazards and near misses. Appreciate employees for good safety behavior. To educate employees, organize safety training programs from time to time. Explain safety rules to new employees before they start work. Conduct mock drills regularly at the workplace. Inform employees about all hazards and safety risks related to their work. Share real accident case studies with employees. Educate employees about proper personal protective equipment. To empower employees: give employees the authority to stop unsafe work. Allow freedom to report hazards. Build an open communication culture at the workplace. Increase employee participation in safety decisions. Create a fear-free reporting environment. Make every employee responsible for safety. What should employees do to stay safe at work? Always wear proper personal protective equipment during work. Identify all hazards before starting work. Always follow safe work procedures. Use machines and equipment correctly. Never take shortcuts. Keep the workplace clean. Immediately report any unsafe condition. Don't work when tired or unwell. Follow electrical safety rules. Follow the defined procedure during emergencies. Remember, safety is not just a rule, it is a habit. And the responsibility of creating a safe workplace belongs to all of us. With this, we end today's video. Please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.